To get started with BeFunky's graphic designer, you'll first need to choose a design template. The Templates tab has all the pre-designed, fully customizable templates you need for starting a design. Clicking on the different categories will show you the types of design templates you can choose. You'll find event graphics like invitations, posters, and brochures, small business templates like business cards, Facebook ads, and web ads, templates for designing blog imagery, social media headers like Facebook cover photos and YouTube channel art, social media graphics for posting on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and so much more. Just click on any template category to see your choices, and click on any template to load it onto your canvas. Every design template layout is fully customizable. You can click and drag to rearrange any element. Type new text into the existing text boxes, change fonts, colors, and so much more. At any point in your design, you can use the undo and redo buttons to undo and redo your actions, and use the history icon to see every action you've made.